The atmosphere at Alpine is on fire after this weekend's tumultuous Monaco GP. The episode that set paddock on fire was the collision between teammates Esteban Ocon and Pierre Gasly, an incident that could have serious repercussions for Ocon's future on the team. According to information from Sky Sports, the head of the team, Bruno Famin, is considering replacing Ocon in the next Canadian Grand Prix. Sky Sports journalist Craig Slater revealed that Famin's decision could lead to the team giving reserve driver Jack Doohan a chance at the next GP. Although Alpine has not yet officially confirmed this change, the tension is palpable behind the scenes. The accident in question occurred when Gasly, who started in 10th, and Ocon in 11th, crashed into the corner before the famous Monte Carlo tunnel. Ocon's overtaking attempt resulted in a tap that made his car fly, while Gasly did not hide his frustration on the radio, questioning his colleague's aggressive manoeuvre. "My God, what did he do? Why did he try to attack me?" Gasly exclaimed, incredulous during the race. The FIA investigated the incident and penalised Ocon with 10 seconds. As Ocon dropped out of the race, this penalty will be converted into a 5-position loss on the Canadian Grand Prix grid. Ocon was quick to acknowledge his mistake and apologise through social media. "Today's incident was my fault. The difference was very small in the end, and I apologise to the team for that. Expecting a deserved score for the team today. However, your excuses may not be enough to save your seat." Bruno Famin, visibly angry, did not spare criticism of the pilot. Esteban Ocon's attack was completely out of the circumstances. That's exactly what we did not want to see. We will assess the consequences and decide immediately. Famin's harsh words reflect the gravity of the situation and the real possibility that Ocon will be left out of the next race. Jack Doohan, the reserve driver, is eyeing the opportunity and is already in negotiations for a spot next season. With rumours of a possible departure from Gasly and Ocon, Doohan's chance to establish himself on the team seems increasingly concrete. The turbulence at Alpine promises more exciting chapters in the coming weeks. What do you think of this situation? Does Ocon deserve a second chance? Or is it time for Doohan to show his worth? Leave your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Formula One news and reviews.